How to get Stark Industries Energy Rifle? If you're eager to get your hands on the Stark Industries Energy Rifle in Fortnite, you're in the right place. This powerful Marvel-themed weapon has made a comeback in Chapter 5, Season 4, and here's how you can find it. First, let's talk about where you can find this rifle. It's not as rare as you might think, and there are several ways to get it. You can find the Stark Industries Energy Rifle in regular loot chests, supply drones, Avengers chests, Stark chests, or even as floor loot scattered around the island. One of the most reliable ways to get this rifle is by interacting with Iron Man himself. You can find Iron Man at the Other Windmill, which is just east of Grim Gate. If you meet him there, you can purchase an epic rarity Stark Industries Energy Rifle for 300 gold. However, keep in mind that Iron Man only has one rifle in stock, so it's not the most efficient method if multiple players are after it. Another efficient way is to target the Stark supply drones. These drones are flying around areas marked on your map with yellow highlights, indicating where they are roaming. Shooting down these drones often results in them dropping a Stark Industries energy rifle. The rifle comes in 3 rarities: rare, epic, and legendary. The rare version is quite easy to find anywhere on the island, while the epic version is mostly found in supply drones or rare chests. For the legendary version, you'll need to look in Avengers chests, Stark chests, or the drones themselves. Now let's talk about how to use this versatile weapon. The Stark Industries energy rifle has 2 firing modes. When you aim down sights, ADS, you fire a concentrated blue beam that's perfect for long-distance battles and deals more damage, especially with headshots. However, this mode has a slower fire rate. On the other hand, hip-firing the rifle switches to a burst mode, firing red beams in quick succession, which is great for close-quarter engagements but has more recoil and less range. Here are the stats for each rarity. Rare, 37 damage, 4.4 fire rate, 15 magazine size, 3 seconds reload time. Epic, 39 damage, 4.4 fire rate, 15 magazine size, 2.85 seconds reload time. Legendary, 41 damage, 4.4 fire rate, 15 magazine size, 2.7 seconds reload time. The rifle uses light ammo, which is typically used for assault rifles, and it's not a hit-scan weapon anymore, meaning you'll experience bullet drop and need to adjust your aim accordingly. In summary, to get the Stark Industries energy rifle, keep an eye out for loot chests, supply drones, and interact with Iron Man if you can. Mastering its 2 firing modes will make it a valuable addition to your arsenal in Fortnite.